I don't know. Aunt Robin might be a little upset. Gotta get the plastic wrap out? Okay, good. Okay, good boy. Thanks for cleaning up my cabinet. What's that? Ooh, that's fun. Probably shouldn't do that. What else do we have, James? What else is here? What else is in here? Oh, wow. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can I close? There you go. Good boy. Okay, you got your plastic wrap and you got your thing. Oh, you're so smart. Look at you. What are you doing? What are you doing? What was that? Is that the puppy? Let's see what the puppy does. We'll put the puppy over here. Come here, puppy. Come here, you big puppy. Come here. Come here, James. What's he doing? Here, puppy. Come on. Hey, puppy. Good boy. Is that a silly doggy? Get all your toys out. There you go. Good boy. James, you're getting so big. Uh-oh. Where'd he go? Good boy. Oh, I think the doggy's sad. What's the matter? He's walking in place. Can't go anywhere. He's stuck. What'd he do? His tail's wagging. What's he doing? Say bye, doggy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, doggy.